Very good morning, students. Today is my last explanation of this chapter, that is a shot in the dark. So, I'm going to start our last explanation of this chapter. I hope, students, that you all read this chapter very carefully and also heard the 3 days explanation which I was given. So today from here I am going to explain you till last. Okay, students? So listen it very carefully. Yesterday I told you that there was a tall man who is an American lawyer who also traveled by the same train. They were staying for playing golf. They were traveling on a cart which was very nice looking car, diligent, locomotive power, enormous wheel structure, and other was a luxurious car. So when Slitherby was traveling in that particular luxurious car from the station, that tall American lawyer said it was totally different horse drawn carriage. Suddenly, his eyes were fixed on the door band, where two crests were displayed, running greyhound and a demi-lion, holding in its paw a crosslet. I told you yesterday, students, that what is crest? That it is a design used as a symbol for a particular family. It means it is a symbol. And what is the crest? Salton's crest. That is demi-lion with crosslet and running greyhound. So suddenly, when his eyes were fixed on the door pant, there were two crests were displayed, that is running greyhound, and the other one is demi-lion holding in its paw a crosslet. They are now moving towards Brill Manor. Then cloth people were talking. Here it's given. Okay, students, all things are given here. When you read this, then you will got the explanation very easily. So when the cloth people were talking about the personality of Mrs. Salton Jago, who was an influential lady and a very brilliant woman, but made some change. What change? She used to have beautiful dark brown hair. But one day, about 5 weeks ago, she electrified everybody by appearing as a brilliant blonde. Blonde, I also told you yesterday that blonde is a golden yellowish color hair. After that, it's quite ruined her looks. That means her look was quietly changed. Here we are. I say, what's the matter with you? You look rather ill, said Saki. All these words, all these short novels are written by H. Munro, who is very famous with his pet name called Saki. So I think, students, that you all understand this chapter very well. So read this chapter and heard the explanation of all 4 days, because if you don't understand the explanation of the chapter, then you will face problem when you all write the answers. Okay, acha, your homework is that first of all you have to write the date, that is 21st May 2020. You have to write the chapter 1 name, that is a shot in the dark. After that, you all have to note these words meanings. Okay, students, here some word meanings are given which you have to note in your course copy. First is acquaintance. See the meaning of acquaintance, students. A person one knows slightly rather than a close friend. Agreeable means pleasing. Astuteness, astuteness means cleverness. Awfully means informal. Okay, you can, if you want to write one meaning, you can write that very informal. Don't write colloquial. If you want to write one meaning, you can write it's correct, that very informal. Crosslet, I told you yesterday also, but here is it given, that a symbol in the shape of a cross used on coats of arms. Demi-loin, I also explained you yesterday, a symbol of the top half of a loin used on coats of arms. Next, disarray means untidy and disorganized. You have to write both the words, untidy as well as disorganized. Elusive, difficult to find. Expounded means explained in detail. Next is futile, means pointless. Gratified means pleased. Ineffectually means not producing the desired effect. Next is nomination, that is putting forward a candidate for election. Obliged means to be indebted or grateful. Pantomime means a dramatic entertainment with ex- uh, exaggerated characters and actions. Quid means slang term for British pound sterling. Rambler means a hiker. Recommenced means began again. And the last is, but not the least, ruefully. It means sorrowfully or pitifully. Okay, students? So copy down your word meanings in your course notebook along with your today's date, that is 21st May 2020, with your chapter name, that is a shot in the dark. After that, you all have to write the heading, that word meanings, and you all have to write these word meanings in your copy. Okay, students? So thank you, class. And for tomorrow, you all have to take your course book and note copy for writing the answers. Okay, students? Take care. God bless you all. Thank you, class.